Kakain na tayo. Ayan. Yan ang ating mga ulam. May prito tayong isda. Yung kanina inihaw natin. Ayan. Tapos kumuha tayo ng sili. Diyan sa labas lang. Fresh na sili.
Guys, just do not mind the barking because Asher's barking loud.
Yan.
If Dad, if he wants a drink, then you can pick one.
This. Is you right? Yeah. The silly, the priest, you know that one down. Sabi mo kanina doon sa
Oh
labas?
yeah,
Yeah,
I
it's
did.
nice, eh? Very fresh. Good for
But
the eat.
I'm not eating it.
Good for the eat. What happened, Asher?
Asher won't stop crying.
Ano yung beef kanina? Boy! Time, boy!
If you don't know, Mom is eating in the lounge.
Yan. Yan, guys.
That has been 2 minutes already. That has been 2 minutes already.
Yeah. Yan. Ooh, beef.
I forgot to eat the rice. Actually, I'm gonna go barehanded, like Mommy.
Ulo?
But
Throw it. Give me. Wala na mamaya na.
can you bring Asher to camera? Maybe he wants to get in the video.
Wala. Ang aming alagang makulit, to. Want some eat? Boy? Want some eat? Yan. Ang alagang makulit.
Oh,
Boy? Want some camera, eh? Oh. Boy. No eat. No eat. No allowed you eat. Okay? Nice.
look at his food bowl. That's why. It's because he only has, carrots and oranges.
Yeah.
Just a half of orange.
Beef is nice.
I think we have a spoiled Asher. We have spoiled Asher. I'll call him spoiled for the rest of the day.
Why?
He's spoiled.
Spoiled, yeah. He's new in the house, eh? Boy? New house, eh? The brand new one.
We didn't definitely stole it. We just bought him. And he's maybe 4 months or maybe 3.
Yeah.
The rice tastes like brown rice. This rice tastes like brown rice.
Yeah. Want some fish? Isda?
No,
It's nice.
I don't really like fish.
Hmm?
I don't really like fish.
Why?
Because of my taste bud.
Hmm.
Did you
Beautiful.
actually know that Mom put some lemon to marinate?
Marinate.
Yeah.
Nice.
Hmm?
Nice. Mm. He coming in there because he's not giving in here.
There's lots of food here, but he doesn't want. He wants food here, but we don't allow him, so he goes to Mommy
Mm.
and says, "They're not giving me food. They're not giving me food, Mom."
Mm. Nice. Nice beef, eh?
Han,
Ha?
isara mo yung pinto dyan sa anuhan.
Nasara ko na. Dalawa?
Hindi, yung sa may sunroom.
No?
Sa sunroom,
Bakit?
naka-on ang heat pump, nag-on na.
Ha? Hindi ka pa pwede sa kasi kakain ng karne, di ba?
Ha?
Hindi ka pwede pakain ng karne.
Ha?
Si
Asher,
Asher ba pwede pakain ng karne?
Hindi,
spicy.
Han.
Nakahol siya eh.
Mm.
Give it to me, give it to me. Mm. Good chicken eh.
Uh-huh.
Mm. Hindi ka gamit ito?
You can use that for your, seasoning.
Suka may sili? Ah! Yum! Manghang.
I thought you were gonna say bleh.
Good.
Then why did you say this? Bleh.
Masarap. Manghang pa. Mansam? Ha?
No.
Nice. Very nice eh.
Mhm. Did you know the chicken? It looks like black. Did you know that?
What?
Did you know this looks like
Boy?
black ink? Dad, did you know this looks like black ink? You know, yours looks like black ink
Yeah,
and brown rice.
yeah. It's nice. Because it's the sauce.
I don't really like this sauce because of the pepper.
Hmm?
I don't really like the sauce because of the pepper. Here comes the loud barking. I don't know why Sasha, asking for food. Wait. I'll lock him in his cage. Should I have something?
Okay guys. Thank you for watching eh. dito na magtatapos ang aking video. So, like and share and subscribe my video para lagi ka update sa aking mga video sa mga susunod na video. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye.